Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make twinkle chocolate coins. It's really quick and easy. You don't even need to melt the chocolate and pour it into the mold. That's the pain in the neck actually, dripping chocolate all over the table. So in this recipe, I'm going to use disposable silicone baking cups. It was sold at 100 shop at Bento aisle and I was fascinated when I found them because I can save dishwashing. Of course, if you have reusable silicone cups, that will do. Anyway, kids enjoyed making it. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Get some chocolate bars and sugar sprinkles. I'm going to use disposable silicone baking cups. Now break chocolate bars into small pieces and place them in baking cups. I'm going to microwave each plate for about a minute, which is about 7 to 8 coins. Now flatten out the surface with a spoon and sprinkle with some sugar toppings. Put in the fridge until set. Then remove from the baking cups.
Almost done.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
これいっぱいかかってんの。
いいね。拍手してる。チョコ好きだね。まあ自然な行動だね。I'm going to try one that my daughter made. I always think that hardened melted chocolate tastes way better than a chocolate bar. Do you agree with me? Anyway, please try it out. Stay tuned for the next video. I will see you again.